This is the RA-24 Sidewall Shelf Kit for Enclosed Trailers by RackMFG.com. This rack utilizes the top hook design that bears all the weight, like all enclosed trailer Rackham products. It is also pre-drilled right here and down here for easy installation. This represents a typical sidewall installation. This kit comes with 6 shelving brackets right here, and they can fit into 6 different mounting points on the main bracket that's attached to the wall. This gives you unlimited adjustability to set this rack up however you may need to use it. Additional brackets are also available. This kit uses standard 12-inch shelving lumber like this. This particular length is 8 feet long, but of course this kit could be set up down the whole length of your trailer if you so need it. This shelving kit can accommodate bins, coolers, gas cans, practically anything. It can be set up however you have to particularly use your trailer.